Building a PC is more than just plugging parts together. It's about understanding the language of hardware. But with thousands of components, specs, and confusing benchmarks out there, where do you even start? It's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why I'm starting this series. We're going to break down every single component, one by one. From the brain of the system, the CPU, to the muscle of the GPU, and everything in between. Like HDD, SSD, motherboard, power supply unit, DVD drive, RGB fans, PC case, and so on. By the end of this journey, you'll know exactly how to build your dream machine. Subscribe and join me for the first chapter.
Hey, that's pretty good. Yeah, boy.
Hey, stop! Why? This is not This is
Are you sure about that?